Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create fake bat moon effect in CapCut PC. So to make fake bat moon effect, you are just going to add the black screen and add text, select the bold text and just type, change the text, just type dot only and you can resize. So, and select the clip, right click and select create compound clip. Alright, so you're just going to add a fake, select the lens and select the edge glow just for the glow. So, and add another effect, so select the dark and looking for the path. Here's tap the track and here we go. Right, this is the final fake. Yeah, this fake bat moon easily. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.